Your drawing is good.
You got it.
Thank you very much. I'll upload it on my YouTube. ये देखें, ये यहाँ से चार्ज होगा.
Hi guys, I got this drawing board.
Yes.
And now
LED drawing board.
and it glows and it glows.
Yes,
the
this is a glow board.
It's a glow board.
Hmm.
And
Doodle
now
glow
I'm
board.
Opening it and let's see how it looks like.
Yay!
And I'm doing it with the smaller scissors, so it would take time.
Okay.
Big scissors.
Scissors. It is here. Ooh.
And these were
Here
the,
you
and
go.
these were the small scissors.
Okay.
You might not see it in a scissor.
Mm-hmm.
Since this is from the threads.
Mm-hmm.
This is from the threads.
Okay.
And I'm opening this and this is super duper hard.
Super duper hard. Okay.
You have it.
Okay, I help you.
And I opened it.
Yay!
Taking it out
Okay.
and showing you how it looks like. And it doesn't
Ooh.
look like much since this looks like glass.
Yes, it looks like a glass.
Because it is a glass.
हाँ जी.
So this is how it looks like.
इसको चार्ज करेंगे, ये रिचार्जेबल है. इसको चार्ज करेंगे और फिर इसके ऊपर हम मार्कर से डूडल ग्लो करेगा. ये इसके ऊपर हम ड्राइंग्स करेंगे जो कि इरेज भी की जा सकती हैं. एंड वेयर कैन द व्यूवर्स फाइंड द लिंक?
The link is under below in the description.
Yeah, the link is in the description below. Find it from there.
And buy new things from me, or we wouldn't have any more videos to show you.
Yes, buy more things so that he could make more videos for you. Yes.
If you don't buy them, we might not be able to make videos.
Ooh.
And also Emma's video.
Yes, on Emma's channel as well.
Yeah. And
Okay, let me show you a close-up of it. बेटा इधर रखें, हम close-up दिखाएं इनको. ये देखें जी, ये रिचार्जेबल है तो ये चार्ज हो जाता है.
कैसे?
ये देखें, यहाँ से चार्ज होएगा, ये सारा ऑन होगा यहाँ से, फिर चार्ज होता है, फिर इसके ऊपर
कैसे?
बनाते हैं.
कैसे join?
हाँ, अभी चार्ज करेंगे ना तो फिर उसके बाद इसको लगाएंगे. ये देखें, ये यहाँ से चार्ज होगा. ये चार्जिंग वाली जगह मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. यहाँ से पीछे से ये इसका स्टैंड है, इसके ऊपर सारी ड्राइंग्स आएंगी. ये इसका ऑन ऑफ का बटन है. ये देखिए, ये इसका ऑन ऑफ का बटन.
And now we're showing the other stuff that was inside here. This is how you erase
ओके,
the board.
इरेजर भी है साथ. ठीक है.
Or the marker.
ओह, मार्कर सेट भी है. ओह वाह.
And the charger.
ओह, चार्जर है चार्ज करने के लिए. वाह.
And these markers come in different colors, so we can draw different stuff.
Yes, so they are in different colors.
And the grass and everything.
Wow. So it is a whole full pack. You don't need to buy anything else. This is the whole full pack.
This is a whole pack. It is nothing
And the
else.
packaging is very good as well. Yes. Safe packaging.
And the packaging just flew away. from
Yes.
here.
Okay. Let's charge it now. Let's go and work on it.
And
Yay!
we will see you later.
Yes, we'll see you later.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, we love you all. Oh, it is turned on. Yay!
And I don't
इसकी
know.
डिफरेंट लाइट्स हैं, ये देखो.
wait.
यहाँ से करो. हाँ. Oh, green, blue, red, yellow,
I'm doing
green.
it super fast.
Wow. Wow.
And green, blue,
Yeah.
yellow,
Yes.
white, red.
चलो अब इसके ऊपर कुछ बना के दिखाओ.
Okay, let's now I'm gonna draw and
Yay!
you might not know what I'm doing right now. But you might guess since I'm a bad drawer, so
No, you are a very good drawer. Your drawing is good.
One, two, three, four. Yeah, I'm not good at drawing hands.
Okay, can you erase it? Can you show us how would you erase it?
And we erase it with this marker. I mean this
Uh-huh.
towel.
Okay.
And I don't think it erases it.
We
And
can.
this is how you erase it, but you have to do it very hard.
Okay.
So since this one does not work very well, so we just use our hands.
We have to use power to erase it.
But if you want no power, use your hands. It works.
Okay.
See?
Hmm.
Your hands work very good on this thing. And I used my hands and this is what happened.
Okay.
Since it was white.
Mm-hmm. So we can erase it like that.
Yeah, and we need strength.
Okay. So we need to use our power to erase it.
Adios, Salafis.
Okay.
And bye-bye.
Allah Hafiz. See you all. Bye bye. Fi Aman Allah.
And adios.